Hello there, you just tuned in and we're going to show you all the new Ninja Turtle toys today, so you're in for a treat. Watch along as we open and unbox all the toys and show you what accessories and what the toys do. So keep watching and we're going to rip right in. Raphael, the angry one. Donatello, the brains. Leonardo, the leader. Michelangelo, the entertainer. They're the 4 packets we're opening today. Let's get ready to rumble. Yo, I got my boy Ray here today, and he's going to tell you which one he's going to open up first and which one's his favorite. So, have a little look. Which one do you think we should rip into first? Which one do you like the most, Ray?
Leonardo.
Leonardo? What do you like about Leonardo?
His swords.
Okay, well, let's line them up. Leonardo here, what accessories does he come with?
A turtle, 2 swords, some ninja tools, and a small turtle.
Okay, what about Raphael? What do you like about Raphael?
He has some ninja spikes, he has accessories, and I like
You like that?
I like his belt.
Right, let's speed this up and let's open it up.
Turtle.
Yeah, let's unravel it and find out what pieces Raphael's got with him. Okay, so you like the look of this toy? Ray? You like it?
Yeah.
Got a lot of packaging with it. Let's just get rid of that. Okay, next, your favorite, Leonardo. Let's unbox this one. Yeah?
Yep.
Okay, so what do you like about Leonardo? What accessory pieces does he have?
He's got an L on his belt.
You like that?
Yep. I like his accessories that come with his training kit.
Right, next let's unbox Michelangelo. Quickly speed this up and we'll rip him right out the box. What's he got with him?
Ninja chucks.
Nunchucks? Yeah? You like them?
Yeah, and it's only because you can put them on his back.
Oh, you put them in his back. Okay, let's show everybody that. Let's have a little look. Let's pull them out the packet. There you go. Ready to go.
Michelangelo.
Yeah. I mean, he's only got 2 toes, so it's hard to stand him up. Look. I can't get him to stay straight. What you gonna do?
Do the splits.
That's a good idea, because his feet, he ain't got much balance, There we go. I think I got him. Is he gonna fall? I got him. Okay, and these are all the accessory pieces in orange this time. Oh no, he took a drop. Oh my god, yeah, you're right. I'm gonna make him do the splits. There he goes. And finally, who we got now?
Donatello.
No, Donatello. Let's speed that right up and pull him out the box. You like the look of him?
Yep.
Okay, what's in his packet?
He has headphones.
I think something went flying,
He has a light turtle.
Yes, in every packet, all of the ninjas have turtles. His is the lightest. They're quite cute, I don't know what they're for. I'll find out when I read the instructions. So yeah, there you go. All of them standing together, all with different weapons, and they're all ready to fight the baddies, Who you gonna be?
I'm gonna be Leonardo, the leader.
Okay, and I'll be Michelangelo, even though I can't stay on my feet. They look pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, if you want to go buy these, then look it up on the internet. Now, on the back of the box is Ray, there's some information. So, Leo's the leader. Well, he wants to be in dreams of leading his brothers to become an unstoppable crime-fighting team. So, what if no one takes him seriously?
I don't know.
Okay, so that's what it says on Michelangelo's box. It says, Mikey's a comedian. Too bad his brothers don't think he's that funny. He might not be the best at ninjutsu or waking up on time, or even hygiene. But you can always count on Mikey's positive attitude. You not got nothing to say, Ray Ray?
Oh,
Okay, Donatello. Donnie is devastatingly smart and not afraid to let you know it. His intellectual self assuredness may come across as arrogance, but it's just that his brain is thinking so many steps ahead that he's paralyzed with indecision. Okay, and finally, Raphael. Raph likes to break things. In fact, his biggest goal is to punch someone so hard they throw up. But beneath his hard head and tough exterior is a sensitive turtle, just looking for someone to talk to. Okay, Ray Ray, we've opened all the boxes. We've explained what's inside them. We've looked at them. What we gonna do now?
I don't know. Let's play with them.
Yeah, I know. But I don't actually know what these little turtles do. But let's start fighting and hitting each other. You know what we need? We need some baddies. Let's go to the shop and buy some baddies. See you all soon, guys. Bye.